Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 13th of April. I'm James Spann. The weather stays dry today and seasonably warm, but rain returns at times tomorrow. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country this morning. Got this deep upper low that's located over Minnesota and a series of waves underneath that. The first one will bring that chance of rain tomorrow, but again today we'll be in good shape. That was the radar early this morning, a little before 5 o'clock. Had some patchy light rain over parts of Tennessee, Arkansas, Louisiana, but we're quiet. Temperatures are mostly in the 50s, a few upper 40s on the board. We'll be up in the mid-80s today. Maybe some upper 80s, much like yesterday, one of the warmest days so far this year, a summer preview, if you will. We note there is a flash flood watch for Mobile County, Alabama, the extreme southern part of Mississippi and southeast Louisiana. Otherwise, things are quiet down here. Winter weather advisories for parts of Minnesota, North Dakota, and Montana up north. Got a chance of strong to severe storms today across much of Louisiana and some of the adjacent states. Then tomorrow, a marginal risk, again for parts of Louisiana, South Mississippi, that clips the southwestern corner of Alabama, parts of Washington, Mobile, and Baldwin counties. But again, for most of the state, no severe weather issues. And then on day 3, which is Thursday, maybe some thunder near the Gulf Coast, but again, severe storms not expected. Rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals for Alabama for the southern counties. Mobile, about 2.5 inches. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, 1/2 to 1 inch, and under 1/2 inch up in the Tennessee Valley. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Again, upper low, this over Minnesota, wave coming into Texas. And for us, the day should be dry. We'll have that chance of rain and storms over Louisiana today. But very warm. We'll be up in the mid-80s, maybe upper 80s in spots. Much like yesterday, the sky partly to mostly sunny. So tomorrow, the wave comes in. The sky will be cloudy. The day will be cooler. In fact, the high maybe in the 60s, upper 60s over the Tennessee Valley because of clouds and rain. This is the high-res NAM. Valid tomorrow at 1, showing a batch of showers and thunderstorms coming into the state. The better chance of thunder probably south of Tuscaloosa. So again, you might hear a rumble of thunder tomorrow, but severe weather for most of the state should not be a problem. 8 o'clock tomorrow night, that first batch is out of here. There could be some lingering light rain. We'll go to Thursday morning at 8 o'clock, and this is suggesting there could be some rain to start the day Thursday over central and south Alabama, generally south of Interstate 20. And then by Thursday afternoon, that rain is near the Gulf Coast. Most of the state is dry. So again, some rain at times tomorrow night, maybe Thursday morning, dry Thursday afternoon, and cooler with a high in the upper 60s. This is Friday. The day looks dry. A lot of clouds around, highs mid-60s, rain to the west, and that way brings rain in here Friday night. This is just after midnight Friday night, showing the better chance of rain over the southern two-thirds of the state. And then Saturday, this is again, the GFS depicting maybe some lingering light rain. But the European says by Saturday afternoon, that rain's going to be gone. And I think this is right. We're going to mention for north and central Alabama a chance of rain late Friday, Friday night, into early Saturday morning. And then Saturday afternoon should be dry. We've got the big spring football scrimmages at Auburn and Alabama. Auburn and Tuscaloosa Saturday. And I think for both of those game sites, the weather should be dry. A lot of clouds around. Temperature should be in the mid to upper 60s, which is about 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. This is Sunday. Much of the state will likely be dry. Again, highs in the upper 60s. And Monday, again, partly sunny, highs around 70, and most locations dry. This is a week from today, Tuesday the 20th. Deep trough forming over the eastern states. And again, that looks rain-free. Highs around 70, and we'll go out 10 days. Thursday of next week, April 23rd, a zonal flow and a dry air mass. So for most of Alabama, we see no severe weather problems for the next 10 days right now, and we'll take that. Here's rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 2 inches between now and the 28th of April. 85 today from the National Blend of Models. After that, temperatures come down with highs back in the mid to upper 60s Thursday, Friday, and over the weekend. Then we creep back up in the 70s for next week. And the CPC outlook, this is for April 20th through April 26th, showing temperatures over the eastern half of the nation below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.